The UMTS standard is important because, for the first time, the rules for a global mobile radio network will be binding for everyone. This will make global roaming possible. The term UMTS was fixed by the European Telecommunication Standards Institute. In the context of the International Telecommunication Union, ITU, we speak of IMT 2000. In the global standardization process, the American National Standards Institute, ANSI, will make sure that the existing American standards are taken into account. The Association of Radio Industry Business, ARIB, will make sure that existing Asian guidelines are observed. The responsibility for the standardization lies with the 3GPP, or Third Generation Partnership Project, where network operators, producers and national regulation committees have bundled their activities.